Hello everybody. First of all, massive welcome. My name is Jara. Just wanted to introduce myself and also the channel. Every single week I'm going to be making a new video, traveling to somewhere new. Right now, pretty local stuff. Cooking new food, trying new food, all the fun in between. Right now, it's Friday afternoon. I'm about to go camping with my three brothers. It's about a 3-hour drive along the Coorong next to the ocean. It's gonna be pretty fun. It's only just a normal weekend, so it's not gonna be very long, but I'm very excited. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. Bit of a kick in the morning. God, that was the worst kick I've ever seen. Why are you double tapping it? Greasy.
Alright guys, we're on the Coorong. We don't know exactly where we are, but as you can see it's pretty legit. Oh Jesus.
Salt Creek.
There you go, yeah, Salt Creek. Man, I got 99.
So we're about to cross this channel, I suppose.
Lake, river.
I don't know, this is pretty hectic.
It's massive.
It's a very big lake.
I reckon it's probably what, like 200 meters? We're gonna drive across it.
It's a long way across, and somehow we're gonna drive across.
It's too cold.
So Saturday afternoon we drove back to the campsite. We rugged up because it was so cold. We sat around the campfire, we drank some wine, had a lot of fun, a lot of laughs, awesome night. The next morning we woke up, quickly went to the beach, and then we started making our way back to Adelaide.